Today was going to be an OMAD day, but after I came back from the gym, I decided to break my fast close to 18 hours because I did a little bit more than cardio. I did do some back and shoulders today, so I'm going to give my body the fuel it needs. I believe I had a total of 410 calories. You'll see it on the screen here. 80 grams of protein because I got my Rule 1 casein protein. So I mixed 1 scoop of Rule 1 casein protein with 1 scoop of the other protein powder I have, which is normal whey. That was like 200 calories. So those 2 scoops were a good 50 calories. Then I had 100 grams of ground turkey and 100 grams of mixed vegetables. Feeling nice and full, 410 calories. So yeah, I thought I would eat a bit more. Today's workout was a struggle. I didn't film, but here's a post-workout selfie. And I'm in a lot of pain right now, which sucks because when I'm in this much pain, it's really hard to function and it does trigger a lot. However, I am coming around. I'm trying to hold my strength and my power and kind of be with the pain, be aware, be a form of awareness, be present with it, be curious about it. Because I know it will get better. This is just a phase. I've been through phases up and down while through this long recovery from this bloody car accident. But I don't give up. I show up. So I'm going to go pick up my little guy and then probably have an Epsom salt bath. Well, I guess this is a mini style vlog because I've been getting real lazy with foaming. Well, not really. I've been dealing with a lot of pain, as I've been mentioning. And I don't know, I just don't have the energy to finish the vlog, but here I am editing away, letting you guys know how the day went. So this is gonna be a mini vlog. Maybe this style will serve me because it's quick to edit and it'll maybe cause more daily consistency with my channel. Well, this day, I'm proud to announce that I had 211 grams of protein. Yes, and the reason why is because of the protein powder I got, the isolate whey and the casein protein. Been really helpful. I had 30 grams of fat, a little bit low on the fat side. It's okay. I'm gonna make it up today with this. How to make up fat 101, Lily's dark chocolate. This has 15 grams of fat for half the bar, so I'm gonna get in 30 grams in just this bar. And I had a total of 130 grams of carbs. Net carbs was 117 grams. Total calories was 1,590. As long as I'm in the 1,590 calorie range, it's a win. Not gonna lie, these past few days have been a battle. They've been a battle, but my focus right now is staying on track with my nutrition. So I'm gonna finish that off for you guys. Again, I ended up having some more turkey with some vegetables for my next meal. I am right now using meal preps that I made a few days prior. I had a video lined up, but I didn't finish it. So here's a few clips from my meal prep. That was 304 calories of some ground turkey with rice and some vegetables. And then for dinner, I ended up having a big cup of protein powder, casein protein powder. So the difference between whey and casein is that casein is slower digestion, and I love it that it's slower digesting. It just keeps me full longer. So I ended up having 2 scoops of that, 240 calories. Oh yes, and my hack to get in extra protein. You wanna know the secret? Egg whites. Add egg whites to your protein shakes. You will thank me. It will make your shakes thicker and juicier and very rich and vibrant in your mouth. Absolutely love a thick shake. So that was 289 calories. Oh, and my snack, which should have been my dinner because it was 587 calories, was 3 servings of Kodiak birthday cake, pancake. It didn't turn out so well. It looked like this, but it tasted good nonetheless. 1 large egg within the pancake. I had some mini peeled carrots and hummus. So that was my little day. 1,500 calories. I'm pretty proud of myself. Although it has been rough with the pain, everything I'm going through right now. However, I'm in a good spot. I couldn't go to the gym for 4 days and it really wreaked havoc on my body because my body has a major blood flow problem with all of the injuries I have. But I powered through it with the help of cannabis, Combogesic, and the help from my doctor and my physios, because it was really hard. It's not easy being in that pain because it does trigger me to binge, but I'm hanging in tight. For the last couple days, I've been doing well. I'm gonna keep moving forward. Listen, you'll go through hard times. You just have to have a I will never quit mindset, a never give up mindset. And this is all training me to something better. This is gonna evolve into something better. So right now I am focusing in the kitchen. The gym comes natural to me. As long as I show up and do something, I'll be okay. Anyway, if you made it this far into the video, just drop in some flex muscle emojis. I don't know why I did that. I'm not happy with my biceps. And I'm sending you guys mad love. Take care. Bye.